rolling, and action. To another anime edition of Richie Reacts. It's the host Richie Nelson. We still got Dez in the building. Moving on to episode 2 of Chainsaw Man. We were just pretty much going on like the whole character development of Denji. This is a rewatch, so of course we've already seen the episodes. It's just pretty much giving our take as we're watching stuff in retrospect. Just like the last episode, we were talking about of all the devils, they chose the zombie devil. That's a big one. We're pretty much got introduced to Denji, his situation, lost his parents, and as soon as he lost his parents, he inherited a debt. That's crazy. Met the Chainsaw Devil. He doesn't really know it's the Chainsaw Devil. It's just, he knows it's a Chainsaw Devil. Was hunting devils until his Yakuza boss decided to make a contract with the zombie devil of all devils. Of all devils. And then it went left, but not really. But yeah, in like the same sense of things. But ended up running into Makima. And now he's pretty much under possession. There it is. Mm-hmm. Under her possession. That's the best way to put it. So yeah. Right into episode 2. Oh, did you want to say something? I feel like I'm talking too much.
Denji got stabbed to death, and he's back in action, and he got that nice little Makima leash on him. We're gonna see where that goes. So let's check out this episode.
Bro, the eyes is crazy.
Denji-kun はこれから私に飼われることになります。返事ははいかワンだけ。いいえなんていう犬はいらない。
She already on a dog whisperer shit. Like, reestablishing dominance. I think I seen that episode of the dog whisperer. Like a prequel like show of how like all the devils got released on Earth.
They might have to get there at some point. Here we are, once again, one of the best intro songs in the game. Like, you remember growing up hearing
it's almost like this song has been completely removed from everybody's mind. Like, I can't find it nowhere, bro. I haven't heard that opening, like that Toonami opening in the longest. I'm gonna find a clip for y'all like that, just so y'all can hear that.
If y'all ain't heard that, you ain't heard where we came from. That's like never hearing Tupac. See, once again, just showing how powerful she is. If you've seen the last episode, I'm already hungry.
Alright, so boom, in the manga, they skipped the whole second issue. Like, they went to go get food, Devil popped up, Denji, like, got down on them, and then they ended up right here where we at now. Like, it made me wonder, like, what else they gonna speed past. But I feel like everything else has been kind of true to it. We're going outside.
It's happened to the best of us, man. It's happened to the best of us.
Thick ass noodles, bro. Why don't you get him another bowl, bro? See that? Knowing what I know now, they got a whole lot more meaning.
The fact that almost every time you see Makima, she is manipulating somebody.
So what type of devil hunting was he doing before? Because he ain't know shit about the headquarters. He just devil hunting for the Yakuza. That don't make sense.
Well, he was getting parts for the Yakuza so they can sell on the black market, I'm assuming.
Oh, okay. Because they probably was selling like organs and parts and shit.
Yeah. The Yakuza to this day probably still chopping off tiger balls and selling the grounded up juices to people. So imagine what they do for some demon meat.
Hey, yo!
You're no longer a part of the system. You are about the system. You are above the system.
Recognizable only as deja vu and dismissed just as quick.
Look at Team 7 back together, bro. You love to see it. It's just crazy how, like, bro, they really do the archetypes for, like, a lot of these, traditional. Would you consider this shonen? This is shonen.
That's a good question.
だから頑張ってね。
I'm just saying, if you had nothing and then this girl just tying your necktie, feeding you.
Yeah, I get it. He really doesn't know what else to think.
Yeah, this dude was getting the full manipulation treatment. This might be my favorite scene of the episode.
The first time I watched this, I was like, damn, bro, we didn't get a Naruto Sasuke fight until about like 200 episodes in.
And this is all Sasuke needed.
Yeah, bro. Sasuke should have ran with Asuna. Got a damn cigarette.
He needed the cigarette. He needed to mollywop Naruto one good time. And, wait for it, he just needed to get them balls busted one good time.
Hey, yo!
Sasuke did not need both testicles for the entirety of his Naruto run. I'm sorry.
So you saying, bro, testicular trauma would have made Sasuke sit down.
I mean, it probably would have by proxy made Sakura cooler. Think about it.
Oh my god. But I didn't even realize the Mortal Kombat type music in the background.
デンジ君は特別なの。だから特別な対応で扱うことになりました。
It's almost like her. I gotta look at her eyes. Oh damn, I'm gonna cut that part out. But it's like her eyes almost seem like they're supposed to hypnotize you. I don't know if I ever noticed it. I just be like, but it's just like now looking at it, and I was like, were you supposed to get lost?
いちごジャム、梅ジャム、オレンジジャムに、
Bro, honey not even that good.
あとシナモンもかけちゃおう。
Hey,
最強
man,
のパン
honey
が
and
できちまっ
bread,
たぜ。
a little bit of butter, jam.
Hey, but whoever the sound effects person is, bro, they found the crispest piece of toast.
And that just goes to show Makima's power, because that sounded delicious. Didn't make me as hungry as when Makima was talking about food.
See, the new word is fiend. I remember back like in the old anime, it used to be called like aberration.
いいか、覚えとけ。クマをできるだけ苦しむように殺してや
It's
りた
like
い
he
ぜ。
come through with the typical sob story, which is crazy because you think he'd adopt that same sob story. Like you think he'd adopt
友
like
達になれる悪魔を
something
い
like
たら
that
取
that's
りて
similar
え。
though. You know, like that swing, that famous swing.
Y'all hear that good theme music coming in? It is time for your boy to...
This is what
楽
he
に殺してやったん
doing.
だ。
It's just
これ
like
はもらってくぜ。
he is like the devil through and through, like really operating off the
よ
flesh.
し。あいつはきっと復讐的なあれだ。
Right, I don't want none of that bullshit.
マキマさんも。
And then you just be like, bro, is he really hypnotized? Bro? Is he even looking at her eyes?
I think he's just enamored by the whole thing. Just the smell of it can probably
僕の
get him.
昔に俺
You gotta remember, Denji was living in a very dingy place, and then he just got stabbed to death.
のゴール。それは胸だ。
胸だ。
Bro, he been on autopilot this whole time. It's like my second favorite person.
二人一。
Right behind Kobeni. Y'all see Kobeni soon.
おうおう。ひげ伏せ人間。わし
Okay, see, this is what I was waiting to see. I was waiting to see Power's eyes, bro. Power's eyes, because like, I used to think they were like, I wouldn't say like the exact same, but somewhat similar.
足は血に飢えてるぞ。
You get it. She's
あ
a
る
cat.
程度の理
If you ever dated a cat lady, you understand.
But it's probably like the coolest first, like, action scene anybody has ever had. I couldn't think of it. Like, who had a cooler first action scene? Besides Vegeta, you know, that was actually Nappa that blew that planet up. See, yeah, this is what I was saying, like, bro, because the first one had me a little worried, because I was like, I know it's some different outros, but it's like, bro, these outros be so dope.
Every
Like,
single time.
I want.
And one thing so far with the team is they are very separate. They haven't really gotten that team cohesion yet.
What good anime has a cohesive team at the start?
Exactly. That's a good point.
So, bruh, that was episode 2 of Chainsaw Man. I'm really glad I did this rewatch just to catch little things that I haven't seen before. The Makima's eyes, like to take like a hypnosis type of aesthetic. That's interesting because that plays into the stuff that I know not only with further episodes that we've watched, but the reading ahead that we've done. Is there anything new you picked up, or is there anything new that you were like reaffirmed on?
Every syllable that's come out of her mouth, every single interaction, especially in regards to Denji, but even to Aki, it's been full of manipulation. One thing I never really picked up on until like the last episode that I watched, sadly enough, was just how Denji's name was Denji.
What does that like? Does that mean something?
I mean, in English, it's Denji.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh damn! Like the color.
His
Like,
plans is Denji over there.
not pearl, not eggshell, not off-white, but dingy.
No.
Damn.
This is not a luxury hero over here.
And it's just like, bro, when you get to, you know what I'm saying, because you be wanting to like hear what they saying in Japanese, you don't really never be trying to put words back to English. That's very interesting.
It completely went over my head at first. I had to think about that, but I would imagine a lot of people immediately was like, Denji,
That's insane. This has been another episode of Richie React. Like and subscribe. Definitely comment. You know what I'm saying. Not saying we do this for y'all, but we do appreciate the input. You know what I'm saying? And we'll definitely incorporate it with other things. We actually got Jazz there. It all started with a home basketball.